Hi, I got a question for you. What are you looking at right now? My face, obviously. Then what about now? Where does your attention go to? I guess somewhere around here, right? So I was able to control your eyes, control your attention. It's very simple trick. It's not a magic. It's just this one. How's it going, people? Welcome back to another new video. Welcome back to the channel. So how can we improve the quality of video and photo, especially video? Image quality by cameras and lenses, or composition, angle, and of course the audio by microphones. Those things are definitely important to make your videos better. But there is one more thing that most of people don't care about that much. It's so basic stuff, but it's too basic to think it's important. So in this frame, what are you looking at? I mean, what were you looking in those like 20 or 30 seconds? My face, right? If you are looking at this window all the time in this video, you are something wrong, or because you just hate me. But even if that's, I'm gonna make you like me in this video. So usually people look at something that is focused on, like my face now. Because of that, how sharp that focus is it's kind of weird, but is one of important aspects of quality. And also moving focus intentionally and making bokeh allow you to guide people's attention and emotion. Sometimes it decides the quality of the video. Autofocus is also very important, but if you can master manual focus, your video will be, improved a lot. So today I'm gonna show you guys the way to control and nail the focus for better video quality with this. So this is SmallRig MagicFIZ wireless follow focus. They sent me this for review, but as always I didn't get paid. I'm gonna spill everything out, honestly. So basically follow focus is the gear which allows you to control the focus ring of the lens by this type of wheel. So why do we need to use this follow focus for better focus control? First, since you can control the focus without touching the focus ring on the lens, you can avoid the shake when you touch the lens. This gives you the really smooth and long focus control, so you can have a fine adjustment and accuracy. So this one is wireless, MagicFIZ wireless follow focus. So that means you can control the focus remotely. So how can I show you? Lens, and here is a wheel, and you can control like this remotely. Of course, there is normal follow focus in SmallRig, but there is a huge reason why I like this wireless version over the normal version. I'm gonna tell you that later in this video. So now you get the whole idea why the follow focus is really important for nailing the focus, right? So next, let's see how this works. So first, the package comes with this nice pouch box. When you open that, the dream is there. How cool is this? Every piece is nicely packed, like indie filmmaker dream is right here. So this one is wheel, wireless hand wheel controller. And this one is receiver. This gear attached to the focus ring, and when you turn the wheel, that also turns. And this is a simple rod clamp, which is for attaching this rod like this. And on that, the receiver attaches. This small piece goes to this wheel to put it on a camera or cage. And you can power this receiver by Sony NPF battery with this plate, or you can power it by the external battery through USB-C cable. And you got extra wheel cover and 2 focus gears. And here you're gonna see why I love FX30 so much. Because it has those screw holes, you can use those things without a cage. That's why I love this flexibility and customization potential of customization on FX30. So without a cage, it's not that bad actually. Obviously it looks weird and bulky, but this wheel works as the side handle, but the balance is not good. The left side is heavier than right side because both of receiver and wheel are at the left side, and plus this battery is really heavy. Or like I do, use rod clamp and 2 rods for each, and external battery at back attaching to rod. With this, you can power the receiver from the back through a USB-C cable, and it just balance is way better. Left side wheel, right side receiver, so the balance is good. Not that bad. Okay, so now let's see what this can do. So this wheel feels pretty nice. Even when the focus ring is heavy, well actually this one is really heavy, but I don't feel any lack of power. It moves focus ring very powerfully. And this is mind blowing, which is there is almost no delay. Look at this, the response is so fast. Even when I do the very fine small focusing, it moves exactly as I do without delay. Although it sounds like this. Well, if the microphone is near the receiver, it may catch the noise. Also, when you turn the wheel quickly, that generates the big energy, and that shakes the camera a little bit, especially when it's on a tripod. So you may want to move it gently, especially when the camera is fixed.
I love it when you couscous.
So, as I showed you, this has a very long focus range. And that helps you to have a very accurate focus control. Okay, so now I found a pretty good situation. The one subject is right here, the very near the camera, the close to myself, and there is the clock over there, kind of far away from me. So there is long distance between this subject and that subject. So that means, it's difficult to stop the, right exact spot. You know what I mean? It's difficult to have some good, accurate, smooth focus. But let me see what I can do with this follow focus. So let's do it. Doesn't it look cool? I think it's very gentle, soft, nice focus. See, that was really smooth and creamy focusing, right? You can do this slow motion when you turn it slowly, but when you turn it fast, it'll be this nice quick motion. So this long focus range provides you the enough space to play around with focus, so you can have more creative options. Also, this has multiple channels so that you can control several receivers by one controller. Like using one for a focus ring and another for aperture ring, and maybe one another for zoom ring by one controller. So the question is, why does it have to be wireless follow focus? Obviously, there is a cheaper one, like a normal mini follow focus in SmallRig. I mean, it doesn't have to be wireless version unless you want to control focus remotely like me. Alright, so now I'm gonna take this wheel off the camera and let's see how far I can go with a good connection. So they said 100 meters, but let's try. So I'm gonna set my GoPro as well. Okay, let's go. Now working good. So the problem of this test is that I don't know if there is connection or not. So yeah, you decide. So obviously I'm turning the wheel like this. So is it good? So now I think it's 20 meters away and turning the wheel like this, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So now I think it's around like at least 50 meters. Turning the wheel. And how is the focus? Is it working? Seriously, I can't see that. But I think it works without any problem like delay when the distance of controller and receiver is not that much. So you can do like one guy controls the camera and another one controls the focus wirelessly. So this is the strongest feature of this product, wireless version. But I know not many people have that kind of shooting situation. But this wireless follow focus is also helpful for solo filmmaking, like I always do in this YouTube. This scene from the last video, this actually was shot on me, just myself. There was a focus motion from the windshield to the mirror. Yes, of course, I used this MagicFIZ. That was shot on FX30 and 50mm 1.2 G Master attached to the wireless follow focus. Just place the camera pointing to the mirror and I did the focus remotely with this controller like this. Also, AF doesn't work really well sometimes, especially like this situation, In that case, you can use manual focus with this to make sure the focus is right. I gotta say, my solo YouTube filmmaking was improved so much with this product. Since I'm using Blackmagic 6K, being able to control the focus wirelessly means a lot. Plus, good thing about this wireless version is you can attach this controller at wherever you want. For example, when the camera is 最近なんかめっちゃ物落とすんだよな。Recently, I dropped a thing a lot like this. Maybe my hands, are dried, so maybe that is reason. But yeah, what was I saying? So yeah, for example, when the camera is on the gimbal, but also you want to use manual focus, you can attach this wireless controller on the grip or wherever you want. With the normal version, like a mini follow focus, you can't do it. You're just gonna have to use it right here, close to the receiver. Maybe this side. I know this wireless version is more expensive than normal mini follow focus, but when you think about it on, long-term relationship, long-term use, I think this wireless version is the great choice. Okay, that's it. Today's video was a little different from other, videos on my channel, but I hope you guys are having fun. So what do you think? Are you guys interested in those camera accessories like monitors, microphones, memory cards, and follow focus? If you want to see more content like this, just let me know in the comment below. So follow focus can definitely improve your video quality, but it doesn't always have to be manual focus. Yeah, let's receive the gift from the Sony autofocus. But sometimes like a client work or when you want to commit to the detail, this full focus can level your camera system up. If you don't need a wireless version, there is a mini full focus in SmallRig that is cheaper, lighter, and simpler than wireless version. So if you just want to have the solid focus control, that is also a great option. So today's crux is the very important thing tend to be too obvious to pay attention, to care about. That happens a lot in our everyday life, especially in human relationship. For example, you live with your family, like wife, husband, kids, parents, brothers, sisters, sometimes, best friends. I mean, the family, you see their faces every single day. So their existence is so normal. Sometimes they are so annoying. I mean, how could it be possible? Like one day you think like, oh, I'm gonna kill you, but next morning you feel like, I'm so happy. There is still a lot that we don't know about human emotion. But anyway, when you think about it on a deeper level, you will realize what matters most is their existence. Success and money. They're so important, especially the money is the strongest weapon to play the game, life. But think about it. How would you feel you get those things without their existence, without people you care about, without people who care about you? No matter what you do, their existence is the absolute center of your universe, and they are always your home. See, something too obvious to care about is most important thing in your life. And that happens a lot in creative work as well. In video, we always make the effort to make our video quality much better and better. So we buy new cameras, lenses, and high quality microphones, monitors, and we learn how to color grade. And you're right. And you should. But we're missing the most basic part of the quality, which is the focus. Because the focus means whether you can see or not. That's the start of everything. If you use manual focus wisely, not relying on autofocus too much, you can guide people's eyes, attention, emotion. Isn't it most important quality in video? So, look around you. Maybe you already have what you're looking for. Just focus on around you. Okay, this is it. If you have any questions, thoughts, don't hesitate to leave the comment below. So today's topic is pretty much. I think I should change the last line. So today's topic is pretty much it. This word is so hard to say. After shooting almost an hour, your mouth doesn't work really well. So today's topic is pretty much it. And thank you for watching this video. And I will see you in the next video. That's what I want to say. So see ya.